Hi guys, today I'm going to make a courier services logo. So first of all, open it up Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to view and click on show rulers. Now click and drag to bring the horizontal and vertical rulers inside of your artboard. Lock the layers and go to new layer. Add stroke color. Now go to ellipse tool, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make a circle. Select the circle, press and hold Control, press C and then press F. It's gonna make a copy and then place at front. Now click and drag the copy of circle and place it right at the middle of center and the upper part of the circle. Now go to rotate tool. Now press and hold Alt key and click right at the center of circle and set an angle of 90 degree. Click on copy. Press and hold Control key, press D to make multiple copy of it. Now select the whole shape. Go to shape builder tool. Click hold and drag to make a shape like this. Now select the shape and click on gradients. Now double click on the gradient slider. Go to swatches and choose appropriate color. Now click hold and drag the gradient slider to the other side and press the Alt key. It's gonna make a copy of the same color. Now double click on the left hand side gradient slider. Go to color palette and from the menu option choose HSP. Here increase the saturation and decrease the brightness. Now double click on the right hand side gradient slider and choose HSP from here. Now decrease the saturation and increase the brightness. Now go to selection tool and select a part of shape. Now click on gradient tool. Click hold and drag to adjust the gradient colors. Do same with the other part of shape. Now go to selection tool and select the middle point of the shape and click on radial gradient. Now select the whole shape, remove stroke color, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag in to make it smaller proportionally. Now unlock the layers and delete the rulers. Now go to type tool and write your logo title here. Select the text, increase font size, click on all caps and change font style. Increase tracking. And increase vertical scale as well. Now select the whole text, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make it bigger. Now increase the stroke size. Select the text, Go to object, expand, click on OK, right click and then ungroup it. Select the object O, press and hold Alt key, click and drag to stretch it. Now go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle shape like this. And by using direct selection tool, click drag, click hold and drag to stretch the bottom anchor points like this. Now select the whole logo title, click on unite. Now change the fill color. Click hold and drag it to move closer to your logo design. Now select your whole logo design. Press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make it smaller. Press and hold Alt key, click and drag to make a copy of it. Now select your logo design and move it at the left side of your logo title. Select the whole logo. Press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make it bigger. And now your logo design is ready. Thank you very much.